Hello everyone, this is two bedroom with balcony, big flat available, very spacious. This is living hall. They will give all new sofas. This is dining table, the open kitchen. This is common bathroom. This is master bedroom with balcony. Wardrobes. This one is common bedroom. Thank you for watching the video.